Hi all, this is Param. Okay, in this playlist we are seeing like what are the different type of queries available for full text query, right? Okay, in the previous video we have seen like what is an interval, right? What is an interval, how it is used, of course. Of course, that means the sequence of patterns, I would say, like, okay, sequence of patterns by using any of or all or all of, okay. So, that interval based we can search in particular field, right? Okay. So, though it is interval, whenever we want interval, so this sentence should continue this one, or this sentence this phrase should continue after this one, something like that. Okay, that is the different places. Okay, obviously filter also there. If you are having more document, if you want to filter out some things, we can do filter out also. Okay, so that's all about the interval. Now, in this video, I will explain about the match. So, match is the default options whenever we want to search on text field. That means text field means analyze a text field. Okay, so in the Elasticsearch. So, this is a default ones. Okay, so it can be a single term or more than one word. Okay, I would say like more than one word. Okay, more than one terms can be used. Okay, I will show the demo as well. So, okay. Before to look into the demo, okay, match support, these are the data types like text, number, boolean and the date, but most of the times we will be using text. That is what we see, that is our text. Okay, and so match query will be run against a single field, not multi field. Okay, it will run what single field. Okay. Now, obviously, whatever text we want to search, we will put in the query. Okay, so that is a default options. Okay, we can put more than one word. That's what I can say. Okay, we can put the more than one word, and other than that, okay, there is if you want to specify any specific analyzer other than the default ones. Okay, of course, we can use the our specific analyzer. Otherwise, if you are not specifying anything, the default analyzer used for the field while indexing, that analyzer use it. Okay. Okay. Then what is a zero term queries? Okay. So zero term query means it will be none or all. Okay. So what is that now? See, since matches use the analyzer to tokenize the given query. Okay. So if the all it will remove the stop words. There is possibility. Okay. Okay. If you are removing all the stop words, if there is no pattern. If there is no pattern, if there is no term, okay, if there is no terms, then what will happen? It will not return any document. Like assume that this is the query string. Okay, if I give this space is that query string, obviously these are stop words. Okay, it will remove. Then obviously it will not return any records, any documents. Okay, so zero term query what will help? So we can specify either none, default one, right, or we can specify all. Say if the analyzer remove all the token, like stop word. Okay, if the analyzer remove all the token, okay, then you go with all, match all. Okay, that is what zero term query. Okay, fine. And since analyzers creating token for each word within the match query, within the query, with whatever we have given the query, okay, we can use the operator. Okay, that operator can be either by default or, okay, and if you want to you can use and as well. So, okay, and the minimum should match. Since this match in turn using the boolean query, that is what good news. Okay, so if the match the match query in turn convert, rewrite, in fact, okay, it rewrite by default. Okay, it rewrite the match query as a boolean query. Okay, in that obviously we have seen I have a separate playlist. Okay, in that I have explained what is a compound query, right? So compound query means one of the query is boolean query, right? Okay, so that can have many, should not, must not. Okay, of course it can have push as well, that's fine. Okay, so so we can say like since it's converting, since it's rewriting as a minimum as a boolean query, we can say how many minimum should match return the query. Let's say we have 2 to 3 should, at least 2 should class should match to return any document. So that's what we can say. By default it's 1. Okay, so you can say 2 or 3, something, whatever it is. Then fusiness. Okay, before fusiness I will explain this what is synonyms for this query. Say for example, for the given query text, okay, it will by default it will do opposite, is a true, it's a boolean attribute, okay. So it will accept that true and generate the synonyms tokens, okay. But it didn't work for me, okay. I tried many options, okay, it didn't work for me. I will show the demo as well, okay. But what it is saying now, it can generate the tokens, okay. It can generate synonyms tokens, okay. Okay, let's say if it is cool, no, so it should return on the chill as well, right. Chill, cold, all this also has to come out, right. But I tried that, it didn't come out, okay. But that's what they are saying, okay. For each token, either they can generate synonyms for that, okay. It can be, we can control by true or false, by default true, okay, by default true. Then fusiness, it's really interesting, that's why I put in yellow color. It's really interesting, fusiness. So I think I have said in many videos, okay. Fusiness, what is not to avoid, to bring a document that has some typo error, let's say quit, QUIT is a cute, right, sorry, quit, okay. Maybe someone type like a K instead of Q, they can write KUIT, something, quit. But actual it is QUIT, cute, right? That is the actual spelling. But let's assume some different language speaking people may write quit, KUIT, something like that. Okay, so that is what. So to pull the document, those has one or two spell mistakes, okay, that is what fusiness, okay. So by default fusiness is auto, okay. So max expansions, what is how many things can be expanded, okay. That means how many tokens we can expand for fusiness, okay. Okay, then prefix length, let's say how many character we should not touch for the transpositions or just changing the character. So let's say 1 or 2, or we can say 3 characters, something like that, okay. So what is though, let's say in our term, let's say assume that sweet, okay, okay, I can say SWEE, okay, or SW at least. So first 2 letters should not be changed. Then I can say like prefix length is 2 fix. So what is while generating fusiness for the sweet, okay, it will not touch, it will not change the first 2 letters. Then after that, whatever possible, it will generate those tokens. So that is what we can say, first 2 letters don't touch, that is what prefix length. And fusiness transpositions, it is what is we can change the letter from AB to B, something like that, okay. So we can change the, we can replace or relocate the characters within that word, okay, So by doing that also we can get many terms, okay. And the fusiness rewrite, how it has to be rewrite, of course, if you enable the fusiness, that obviously it will rewrite. That means what, it will create those many tokens or those many terms, okay, by transposition. Then all those things will be added, okay. So that is what fusiness. So obviously query will be rewritten in back end, okay. That's all about the match, okay. So as I told you, match is a default option to search on the text field or tokenized field, okay. Okay, now it is time to show the demo, okay. So here is the match query, okay. Let me close all the stuff, close all tab, maximize it, okay. Here you can see this is the shortest notation. So query, right, okay, within that there is a match, okay. This is my text, okay, in my index, okay, text. So I am just checking the single word, okay, single word. This is short notation. I will tell you the expand notation, okay. So it will return the documents, okay, cool. The second one is what is here also match. So here in the earlier I gave only 1 token. So here I have given 2 to 3 tokens, okay. Similarly we can give anything, okay. Okay, my favorite cold or food, okay. I think for food we have document. Let me check it. Yeah, some records are coming, okay. Okay, so so this is how, okay, we can give a single token or multiple token also we can give, okay. But all are searched in the my text, okay. It should be same. It should be in the same order, okay. It should be same order, Okay, then auto generate, of course, I have tried all options, okay, but it didn't come. Say I have cool, okay, I have chilly also in some of the document, but it written only the cool documents, you can see. Okay, but if I go with the chilly, see, no, cool, let's see child sir. I think I have such a document, let me check. No, not chilly, cool, then what else? Cold, yeah, cold. For cold there is documents, okay, there is some documents, okay, but you should see, if I say a synonyms na, for the cold, cool also a synonym, right? It should bring the document, but it is not bringing. Okay, so no, yeah, it is not bringing. So my cool document also has to come, it is not coming, okay, but I don't know what they are meaning. Okay, highlight, no, okay, now so this is the again it is start notation. Then why I want, oh, the what is now I have given more than one documents, okay, that is what my text, okay, I don't have my text, okay, that is a field name, okay, obviously I will not get, I don't have such a document. Yeah, okay, this is a full type, full length of syntax, okay. So match, okay, here we will use the field name, in that we will have query, okay, query, then that there we will give the actual things, okay, then I don't want this stuff. Oh, in this, in short notation also I can give, that's fine, okay, cool. Okay, now I have given the and operator, I think here, and so obviously this and is and is and test, that's how they will test, okay, that okay. That is what operator, by default it will or, but if you want and I can specify explicitly. Here zero terms query, okay, zero term queries for this, yeah, zero term queries all, okay. So what is now by default here, see, you can see all are, what is that, all are the all are the what, okay. So let me check whether I can message, not message, my text, okay, save it, run it. No, obviously there is no, right. So let me put or any document, no, yeah, no, I'll run it. Now also no document, okay, I don't know why. See, this time you should bring all the document, right? Because I tell you what is it. See, by default analyzer will tokenize the given query, okay. So since not, okay, since each not, I don't know, okay, let me okay. Okay, so each R is a stop words, it will remove, okay, it will remove all these stop words, okay, then there is no token. So in that case, it will not return any document, okay. So for in that case, I am specifying is a zero terms query all, that means it's kind of equal to match all, okay. So if the all of the token has been removed as a stop words, okay, then there is no token, there is no terms to query, okay. In that case you return all the document, that is what zero terms query, okay. But why it is not coming? My text, right, it's field, I have that, okay. So index, okay, that is fine, match fine, my text fine, query is done, okay. Let me give like this, okay, let me remove operator, I don't want, okay. Let me go this time. This time also is coming. Why? This, okay. It is not working, right? Then it's not working. So this is a stop, it will be removed. So then you should try to bring out all the document. Then this is not, how come? Okay. So zero term query is not working, but I don't know what is mistake I am doing here, okay. But that is what they have said in the document, okay. Okay, I think it's this already we have discussed. By default true, I explicitly set false, okay. Okay, then fusioness. Fusioness, you know, it is to bring the document that has some typo mistake or spelling mistakes, okay. So here by default fishness we can specify. I think all of the other parameters I have explained in the my diagram itself. Okay. Obviously this will not be there. That's fine. Okay. Okay, that's all about the match query. So match can have many parameters. Okay, I have brought all those parameters. So obviously most of them we will using only query, right? So zero terms query maybe sometimes. Okay, but fishness we have many of the times we can ignore the typo or mistake. Then obviously fishness may not be used. Okay, but unless also we will be most of the times we will be using the default one which was used during the index. So obviously, but definitely query will be there, right? Okay, definitely query will be there. But these are the though it is support the text, number, boolean, date, but mostly I have seen we will be using only the text field, the match query. Okay, that's all about this match query. So match query is one of the full text query full text query types in Elasticsearch. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please like my video, share your comments, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching.